Today I'm pleased to introduce Brittany Kelsby, who will be talking today, defending her thesis. The procedure we'll use is at first Brittany will present a general lecture which will last about an hour, including questions. At that point, we will take a short break, and the committee and Brittany will reconvene after that for the actual examination, and then finally we'll ask Brittany to leave and discuss the outcome of the exam. And then at that point, presuming all goes well, there's way too much champagne in my refrigerator, and we will reconvene probably in room 124 to see if we can reduce that overload a little bit.
If I fail, I get all.
Yeah. If she fails, we give her a straw.
Put me under the desk.
So anyway, Brittany came to us from UCLA, where she received her bachelor's degree in 2005. She actually graduated magna cum laude. Apparently, when she was there, she made quite an impression, since a quick search of the web will reveal several UCLA citations, including one which I had a picture of, but I won't bother with right now. They had misspelled her name. But it has this little quote about how she has gone on. In addition to shaping my future career path, the FBQ, I don't know what FBQ
It's a field
stands
biology quarter.
inform my current research goals of studying how variation is maintained in natural populations. As a PhD student at the University of Vermont, I work in the French Pyrenees, and the diversity I observed, and goes on and on. So anyway, she has made quite an impression. She came to UVM to work with Dr. Schall on lizard evolution and lizard parasites, where she did her work in the French Pyrenees. She soon saw the error of her ways and went on to work, and followed her early training as a modeler, and returned to becoming a modeler. And I should explain what I mean by this. I didn't realize this, but I went and I did some research, and while she was in high school, she worked at this institute, which I believe studied behavioral biology, because the name of it was the Page Parker Center for Modeling and Acting. And I believe that's where she learned her modeling skills. And the acting must have to do with behavioral biology, because that's the only thing that explains it. Anyway, but I can assume that this is where she got her early exposure to biology, to mathematical biology. She actually must have made quite an impression, since her discussion actually turns up as a quote. If you search carefully enough, I will, however, not give that quote. In any case, Brittany has been really the ideal graduate student. She came to the lab with a project in mind. She did that project, but she also was looking for something of a new direction. And what I did was I gave her a very vague topic. I said, we should revisit this idea of how G matrices are measured. And from that, we came out with a chapter of her thesis, and it went on to include a further extension, which is studying selection, how to measure selection in multiple years, and using tensor algebra. She also, in addition, did extensive laboratory work. However, that laboratory work, because of the nature of beetle work, is delayed, and it's not making it into her thesis, but it is still there. And finally, she's gotten herself a postdoc in Trudy McKay's lab, and so she has a fine postdoc lined up, and that's where she'll be going as soon as she finishes
Where's
this.
that, John?
Trudy McKay, that's in NC State, and it's a fly lab. And so what they have is they have an extensive data set on well, Brittany can explain this more clearly, but they measured a large number of traits on a large number of lines. So they actually have the genetics and the traits, and they're trying to put these together in more detailed format. And I think this is ideal for Brittany's continued work. Anyway, rather than continuing on at this point, I think I will just simply stop and let Brittany tell us about her research.
Great.
Brittany?
Thanks, Charles. Thanks, everybody, for coming today. I want to especially thank my parents who came all the way from Texas for this talk.